Shorten development cycles with Amazon FSX for NetApp ONTAP and NetApp Workload Factory. Enterprise software development life cycles become increasingly complex at scale and over time. When you create a new version, you need to create new development environments for the developers, the CI/CD systems, CI/CD agents, and for each of the QA testers. This results in prolonged copy creation, data capacity multiplication, and iterative process degradation as more versions are created. FSX for ONTAP offers thin cloning technology that duplicates environments instantly and with minimal additional storage footprint, resulting in iterative process acceleration, minimal wait for copy creation, and near zero additional data capacity. Let's see an easy way to create these new environments with NetApp Workload Factory. Go to the Builders section and click Create Project. Fill in your project name and description. Expand the File System section and select the region, FSX for ONTAP file system details, and the volume on which the codebase resides. Click Create Project. In the newly created project, click on the ellipsis and choose Create a Snapshot. This will create a point-in-time lightweight image of the volume where the codebase resides. Give the snapshot a name and click Create. Click on the ellipsis again and click Create Clone. This will create a lightweight writable copy of the volume. Give the clone a name. Choose the snapshot we created earlier. The clone will be based on the chosen snapshot. Click Create when ready. You have created a writable copy of the codebase within minutes and can mount it on your Linux machine with the mount command. Paste the mount command in your Linux machine and start working on your code. Create as many copies as needed, which can then be used by the CI/CD system, CI/CD agents, and the QA testers. Shorten development cycles with Amazon FSX for NetApp ONTAP and NetApp Workload Factory.